In this lesson, I'm talking about trigonometry. The question is, find the range of the function y equals to 6 times cosine x subtract sine x squared plus 6 in the range when x is from quarter pi to x is 3/4 pi. Now, let us to solve this problem. Because here is a sine x squared, so I'm going to use the formula sine x squared plus cosine x squared equals to 1. So y equals to 6 times cosine x subtract sine x squared. Sine x squared equals to 1 subtract cosine x squared. So here is 1 subtract cosine x squared plus 6. So y equals to 6 times cosine x subtract 1. Subtract a negative number equals to plus a positive number. Cosine x squared plus 6. So this equals to cosine x squared plus 6 times cosine x. Here is negative 1 plus positive 6 equals to positive 5. So y equals to cosine x squared plus 6 times cosine x plus 6 divided by 2 is 3 plus 3 squared subtract 3 squared plus 5. Now we are use a formula a plus b squared equals to a squared plus 2 times a times b plus b squared. So a squared plus 2 times a times b plus b squared is a plus b squared. So this part equals to cosine x plus 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. Negative 9 plus positive 5 equals to negative 4. Now we go to next page. The question asks for what is the range of the function when x is quarter pi to x is 3/4 pi. The function has cosine x. We get this result. The result has cosine x. The orange curve is cosine curve. When x is from quarter pi to 3/4 pi, in the range of x, y is monotonic decrease. So the maximum value of y is when x is quarter pi. The minimum value of y is when x is 3/4 pi. So y, the maximum value of y is when x is quarter pi, which equals to cosine quarter pi plus 3 square subtract 4. Cosine quarter pi is square root 2 divided by 2. Here, plus 3 square subtract 4. This equals to 9.69. This is the maximum value of y. When x is 3/4 pi, y has a minimum value. The minimum value of y is when x equals to 3/4 pi. So this equals to cosine 3/4 pi. Here plus 3 square subtract 4, which equals to cosine 3/4 pi is a negative square root 2 divided by, here is 2, square root 2 divided by 2 plus 3 square subtract 4, which equals to 1.29. Now, we get the range of the function y equals to 6 times cosine x subtract sin x squared plus 6 is the minimum value is 1.29. The maximum value is 9.69. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, please hit the subscription button. Thank you for watching.